In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your students while presenting in Google Meet. If you're a teacher or educator conducting online classes, you probably understand how important it is to maintain eye contact with your students while delivering your lessons. It's all about creating an interactive and engaging learning experience. But when you're sharing your screen in Google Meet, it can be a bit challenging to keep track of your students' reactions and engagement. Fortunately, I've got a simple yet effective solution for you, which will help you manage your screen and see your students simultaneously. Let's dive right in. First, you need to enter your Google Meet session as you normally would. Whether you're starting a new meeting or joining an existing one, just make sure that you're in the meeting interface, ready to connect with your students. Once you're in and everyone is online, ready to learn, you're going to move forward with the next step. Now it's time to share your screen, which is essential for presenting your slides, documents, or any educational content. You'll find the Present Now option at the bottom right corner of your Google Meet screen. Click on it, and a few options will pop up. Choose the one that best suits your needs. You can either share your entire screen, a specific window, or a particular tab. For teaching purposes, many prefer sharing a single window or tab to focus the student's attention on specific content. Next up, managing your screen space effectively is key. This is where the DualS extension comes into play. If you haven't already, go ahead and install DualS from the Chrome Web Store. It's quick and makes a significant difference. With DualS, you can split your browser window into two separate screens, mimicking a dual monitor setup, which is incredibly handy in this scenario. Once you have DualS up and running, you'll see a small icon appear in your browser that's ready to use whenever you're in Google Meet. Clicking this icon will help you adjust your screen layout. Select a configuration that allows you to see your students on one side and the content you're presenting on the other. Typically, a 70/30ths or 60/40ths split works well, providing enough space to see your students clearly while keeping your presentation visible and easy to navigate. With the windows correctly adjusted, you can now successfully host your class, seamlessly engaging with your students while presenting. This setup ensures that you can maintain eye contact, read facial cues, and keep your presentation running smoothly, all at the same time. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to enhance your online teaching experience on Google Meet. With this setup, you can be both effective and interactive, ensuring that your students stay engaged and you remain in total control of your session. Give it a try in your next class and feel the difference it brings. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.